Okay, and another really important concept is converting. So you need to learn how to convert between units. In this situation, we have 1250 centimeters, and they want us to convert that to meters. So I know off the top of my head that there's 1000 centimeters for 1 meter. And we're going to use that information in a second here. So the first thing that you want to do, step one, is you write the original value, 1250 centimeters, and then you need to multiply that by the conversion here. Now you need to make a decision whether to put the centimeters on top or the centimeters on bottom. And how you know which place to put it at is that you want to get rid of the centimeters. You want to be able to cancel it out. So you always put the units that's the same diagonal from each other. So we put 1000 centimeters on the bottom, and then you put the 1 meter on top. Why? Because this will cross out the centimeters. And that's a good thing because then we are left with just meters. So then now you can just do the calculation. Another important thing that I need to teach you is that in order to do this calculation, if a number's on the top, you multiply it. If a number's on the bottom, you divide it. So we need to take 1250 divided by 1000. And that's going to give us how many meters we have. So let me do that on the calculator. So we have 1250 divided by 1000 equals 1.25. So you see we set up the situation where we have the original unit and then we have the conversion, which we crossed out by writing it diagonally from each other. That leaves us with meters, and then you just take 1250 divided by 1000. Since 1 is on top, we could multiply by 1, but multiplying by 1 is the same thing, right? So anyway, so that's converting units. Now let's go on to example 3.